Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. Today I am going to try this Rare Beauty sample of mascara I have. It is in black. I just want to see how it does. I didn't put any primer or anything on. I'm just going to use this. So I hope, here we go. Let's see. Ooh, got some bottom lashes, don't I? And I did not curl. I always forget to curl. I can't do it without getting it on myself. Let it dry, it'll fall off. Alright, so what do we think of Selena Gomez's Rare Beauty? Also have a little bit of Rare Beauty on my eyelids. What is that palette? Magnetic Spirit. Yeah, because how could I not use that color? Isn't that pretty? I just used it with a brush just to give me a little light sparkle because I wasn't feeling all crazy today. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Let me know in the comments what y'all think of this. Thanks. Bye.